Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, everyone. Hello, mommy. Hello, daddy. My name is Bongi Dlungwana, and I am the founder of Trendy Kids Studio. So we started our business in January 2022, and we have been looking after our customers brilliantly well, or at least that's the feedback we've been getting. So the reason why I started this business is because I've always wanted, primarily it was because I wanted to create jobs. And so I figured that the only way for me to go about that is to, branch into business. I do have future plans to build on what I'm doing at the moment, which has good prospects in terms of, career development and employment opportunities. But I mean, like any other business, there's building blocks. I have to start somewhere. And at the moment, we are selling our hair kids products. So we sell our growth oil, our hair food, our spray detangler, and our shampoo plus conditioner. That's not all. We also have body care range, which is our body wash, as well as our body butter to make those little ones gorgeous, and to take care of their skin and take care of their hair as well. Our logo is to unleash your confidence. So basically we want to stimulate the kids at an early age to unleash their confidence, be confident in their hair, be confident in their skin, and basically enjoy life, So primarily that's who we are. We're a kids business. Big plans coming up in terms of expanding the business, but very much kids-centric. And the reason why you have to choose our products is because our products have not been flagged for any harmful ingredients. So our products are 100% organic, and we've been getting brilliant reviews from hair salons, kids hair salons, and mommies and daddies out there who are already buying from our online store. You can also get, a package for yourself. We've got our hair nourishment combo, which is our growth oil, our hair butter, our detangling spray, and our shampoo, and it goes for 285 on our online store. You can log on to our online store. It's www.trendykidsstudio.co.za, and you can just browse through our variety of products. Hello everyone, I am Bongi Dlungwana. I'm the founder of Trendy Kids, and I am a township entrepreneur.